Hello everyone. Today I will show you a very useful Excel feature called the camera tool. You can see my worksheet. The page size is larger than the print area. I need to print a selected part of this worksheet, so I copy the required section into a new sheet. After pasting, notice the problem. The column width changes automatically. The layout is not the same as the original. This is not good for printing or presentation. So instead of normal copy-paste, let me show you the magic solution, the camera tool. This is a hidden feature that lets you copy any data as a live picture, and it updates automatically when the original data changes. First, we need to add the camera tool because it is not visible by default. First, click on File, then select Options. Now select Quick Access Toolbar. In the Choose Commands from drop-down, select All Commands. Scroll down and find Camera. Select Camera, click Add, then click OK. Now you can see the camera tool icon on the top toolbar. Next, let's see how to use it. Select the area you want to copy. Click the camera tool. Now go to a new sheet and click anywhere. And that's it. Excel creates a live picture of your selected data. The layout stays exactly the same. Column width is perfect. Formatting is preserved. You can resize it easily, just like a picture. The best part, if you change the original data, it updates here automatically. So this is not just a copy, it is a live view. This method is very useful for print layout preparation, dashboard creation, and reports and presentations. That's how you use the camera tool in Excel, simple and powerful. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.